Hey there, I'm Apple Crider with Investing Simple. In this video, we're providing with a full comprehensive tutorial on the Coinbase app. We're going to be diving into my phone. I'm going to walk you step by step through exactly how to use the Coinbase app to buy cryptocurrency, store cryptocurrency, and transfer cryptocurrency, and kind of leverage all the features that Coinbase does have to offer. So without further ado, let's dive right on into it. Now, first off, what actually is Coinbase? Well, Coinbase is the largest and most mainstream cryptocurrency exchange in the United States. This is where most beginner cryptocurrency investors get started, and for a good reason. It's a very simple and streamlined interface. They have over 25 different cryptocurrencies offered, so it's a great place for people to kind of dip their toes into the world of cryptocurrency investing. In addition to allowing you to buy and sell different cryptocurrencies, they also offer a cryptocurrency wallet where you can hold your cryptocurrencies within Coinbase. Now, in general, this isn't actually the most secure way to store your crypto, though, and we'll talk about that a little bit later. Now, with the convenience of the Coinbase platform, there do come some fees because it's a very simple and streamlined app to use, but they do have to get paid. They recently went public. They are a publicly traded company, so they need to make money somehow, and so fees is one of the ways that they do that. There are a number of fees on Coinbase that we're going to be diving into within my phone, so without further ado, let's hop on in there and show you how the Coinbase app works. Alright, so here we are within the Coinbase app, and the first thing you're actually going to have to do is use the link down in the description below to sign up for Coinbase. If you use that link, you'll get a free $5 worth of Bitcoin, so feel free to use that link if you do want to help us out. Then, once you've got through the entire sign-up process, you'll be brought to a screen that looks something like this. From here, the first step is going to be to add a payment method, because we have to fund our account. We have to put some dollars into that account so that we can exchange them for cryptocurrency. So we're going to press add a payment method here. We're going to be able to choose how we want to fund this account. So we could use a bank account. This is the most common way to fund your account. You could also use PayPal, a debit card, or a wire transfer. So in general, a debit card is not going to be the best bet. It's really only useful for very small transactions, and a wire transfer is really only good for very large transactions. If you're going for somewhere in the middle, say a few hundred to a few $1,000s, then you're going to be best off probably with a bank transfer. So we'll click on bank transfer here, and it's going to bring us to Plaid. So Plaid is kind of the industry standard way to connect different financial institutions together. So we can go through this process here, press continue. We'll just look for our particular bank. So let's say we use Chime to bank with. We'll type in our email address and password, and then it's going to sync our bank account with our Coinbase account so we can get this thing funded. All right, boom, we just went through that entire process, and now our bank account is linked to our Coinbase account, and we are all set to go. We'll just press done here. And so now if we go to the settings page over here, we can see that we have this bank account hooked up, and there's a $35,000 limit that we can use to fund our Coinbase account. Now, how do we actually do that? Well, if you tap on this blue button here in the middle and press buy, then we can actually buy some cryptocurrency with cash. So you can see there's a ton of different cryptos available, over 25 different cryptos at the moment on Coinbase. We're just going to select Bitcoin for the time being because that's easy enough. And let's just say we want to buy $10 worth of Bitcoin. Press $10 here. We'll press preview buy. Then if we just press buy now, it will purchase the Bitcoin on our account. As you can see, there is a fee right here of 99 cents. So you are going to be paying a fee to transact on Coinbase. The more money you are actually spending, the lower a percentage that fee is going to be, because right here you can see 10% fee. That's pretty significant. But if you're transacting with hundreds or thousands of dollars, then that's going to be a much lower percentage of your overall investment. Now, once you actually purchase some Bitcoin, you'll be able to come into your portfolio here and see that our Bitcoin shows up right here at $9.46. So we come in here, we can see a price chart over time of our Bitcoin, how it has performed. And if we scroll down here, we can get some more information about Bitcoin, the market cap, the volume, and all of that interesting data there. Now, I mentioned earlier that storing your cryptocurrency on Coinbase is, in general, not the most secure way to keep it. In general, what you're going to want to do is move it to something called a hardware wallet. I'll put a picture of one on the screen here right now. And this is kind of like a small, kind of USB-shaped device that you can put your cryptocurrency on to kind of keep it safe. Because with my Bitcoin right here that's sitting on Coinbase, if Coinbase were to get hacked, there's the potential that I could lose that Bitcoin. There'd be nothing that Coinbase could do about it because there's no FDIC insurance for cryptocurrency. So if you move your crypto to a hardware wallet, then no one can access that crypto unless they have physical possession of this device. So that's what makes it a lot safer. They're also not that expensive, so we'll link up our top pick down in the description below if you want to check one out and potentially purchase one. Now, if you decide to do that, how do you actually move your crypto from Coinbase to the more secure crypto wallet? Well, you'll come back here to this blue arrow guy in the middle here. You'll press send, okay, because you're sending crypto to another wallet, to this hardware wallet. So we'll press send. And then what you're going to have to do first is enable sending, because Coinbase wants to keep you safe. If you send your cryptocurrency, you could potentially lose it, because with cryptocurrency sending, you send it to a particular address. We'll show you that in just a little bit, but you send it to an address. And if you mistype that address by even one letter or number, that crypto is going to be gone forever. There's no way to get it back. There's nothing you can do about it. So you need to make sure that you're being very careful when you are, in fact, sending crypto to another wallet. So let's progress through here. Say, let's do it. You'll need to verify your photo ID so that they know who you are. And I'm going to go get my ID and be right back. All right, so I've got my wallet here, and we're going to take a quick picture of my ID so we can get that crypto moved to our external wallet. So now we have been approved, our verification has gone through, so we can go back to this little guy here, we'll press send, and we can type in how much we want to send to our external wallet. So let's just say maximum we want to send all of our cryptocurrency, all $9.48 of it, to our cryptocurrency wallet. From there, we'll press continue. It's going to prompt us if we want to send crypto to a friend, which we don't, so we'll say not now. And now we will enter in the address. Okay, this is the very important step where if you mistype something, your crypto will be lost forever. There's nothing that anybody can do about it. So you're going to want to either copy and paste your crypto address from your wallet to here. You don't want to type that in manually, or you can use the QR code scanner feature to scan the barcode of your crypto wallet and ensure that you are doing so correctly and not mistyping anything. Once you do that, you can also add a quick note here. So we'll just say something like hardware wallet, just to note that we are sending this to our own hardware wallet so that if we need to go back and look for our records, we see where we sent that off to. So you'll do that, you'll press preview send, and then you can send it off. I'm not actually going to send this crypto right now, but if you were going to do that, this is the process you would take. Now, additionally, if you send that crypto to your wallet, eventually you're probably going to want to sell it. So how do you actually bring it back into Coinbase? Well, how we're going to do that is instead of pressing the send button down here, you'll press the receive button. And now you're receiving crypto from another wallet. So we'll press we understand. And now it gives you that QR code that you would have to scan to send that crypto before. So now what you would do is from your cryptocurrency hardware wallet, you would either copy this wallet address here, or you would scan this QR code and transfer your crypto back onto Coinbase. From there, you'd be able to sell it on the Coinbase exchange and then take that cash and move it back to your bank account. So overall, as you can see, Coinbase is a very simple and streamlined app that makes it really easy for beginners to get started investing in cryptocurrencies. That's one of the reasons why it has become so popular and is like the mainstream way to buy cryptocurrency. Now, it's also free to download the app, so you can use the link down below, get your free $5 worth of Bitcoin, and try it out for yourself to see if you enjoyed this platform. If not, we have a ton of other platform reviews on our website and YouTube channel, so you can check those out as well. And in particular, if you want to learn more about how Coinbase works, we have a full comprehensive blog post on our website, investingsimple.com, that's going to walk you step by step through all the different features, how they work, and how you can best utilize the Coinbase platform. Now, if you want to check that out, the easiest way to do so is to head on over to Google, search for how does Coinbase work, and then click on the link for investingsimple.com. We'll see you over there.